Everyone, I'm Dr. Jagota, practicing physician and diabetologist and special interest in the dermatology field. I'm practicing in Central Delhi and I've done my MBBS course and MD medicine course at Meerut Medical College in 1980 payback. I've all got the 35 years experience in the field of diabetes and skin conditions. Now, today I'm going to talk about the commonest manifestation of the skin in diabetes, that is itching. Itching is very commonly experienced by the every diabetic patients in his life. As you know, the diabetes is a chronic condition. It remains throughout the life of the patients and causes various skin manifestation which can cause irritation to the patient and hampers the management of the condition of the diabetes. Today I am going to speak something about the itching. Itching is the commonest manifestation of the skin, and there are various reasons for the itching in the diabetes. First, it is because of the dry skin, which is very common in the diabetes. Dry skin can cause itching over the skin, particularly in the lower limbs and the hands. Patient scratches over it and leads to bacterial infection due to his nails, infected nails, which can lead to the bacterial infection of the condition. Another reason for itching over the body, second reason, the symptoms of the polyneuropathy. Long-standing diabetes can cause polyneuropathies, which is the commonest skin condition of the diabetes. In polyneuropathy, the skin becomes hard and the peripheral sensations become less, and the patient's nerve roots got damaged, which leads to the various diabetic gangrene and diabetic foot ulcers over the skin. And one should not ignore these diabetic foot conditions because it is very debilitating and very difficult to manage for the diabetes. Initial symptoms again is the itching, and this is earlier than itching in the patient experience is the hot flushes over the skin of the feet and the arms. It's because of the high circulating cytokinins in the blood of the diabetic patients, which leads to the hot flushes and the itching over the skin of the feet and arms. These can be managed by the anti-allergic medicines, anti-itching medicines and moisturizing creams, etc. Another reason for the itching in the diabetic patients is the chronic complication like CKD and chronic liver failure, which can cause to the itching over the skin, over the body. Because CKD patients have the dry skin and chronic liver disease also has the dry skin, peripheral skin, and leads to itching over the body. The fourth commonest cause for the itching in the diabetes, because of the medicines. Certain medicines like metformin and pioglitazone can also cause the itching over the peripheral skin, peripheral in the lower extremities of the skin. Another cause for itching in the diabetes is the poor circulation of the blood in the lower limbs. This is because of the marked atherosclerosis. Diabetes are very prone for the atherosclerosis of the lower extremities, which leads to the reduced blood flow of the lower limbs and leads to the itching, and the poor circulation cause the gangrenes of the lower parts of the feet. Another skin itching can cause reason for the another skin itching is the perfumes. Patients if uses perfumes, dyes and strong soaps, that also leads to the itching over the skin. Another reason for very important is the weather conditions. Extreme weathers like extreme winters and hot and humid conditions of the weather can cause to the dry skin, which leads to the fungal infection over the skin and leads to the marked itching over the body. And the fungal infection itself is very common in the diabetes because of the lower immunity of the patients. And it leads to the athlete feet, jock's itch, and candida infection. These are the commonest fungal infections over the skin, especially over the armpits and inguinal regions and the feet. Now I talk about the rarest conditions of the skin itching. NLD, that is necrobiosis lipoindica diabetic. This is the pigmented conditions of the lower limbs of the skin, and it leads to the very marked itching over the lower limbs, which leads to the very uncomfortable condition of the skin, and it is very difficult to manage. Another reason for the itching is the eruptive xanthomatosis. It is commonest in condition in the type 1 diabetes over the skin. It is a peanut-like swelling occurring in the lower limbs and leads to the marked itching. Now I will talk about certain management of the itching in the diabetes. Diabetes itching can be managed by the conditions of the cause for the itching. Often we need moisturizing creams, emollients, and anti-itching medications, antifungal medications, neurotropic medications, and antibiotic if there is any skin conditions, bacterial infections. That's it.